Rua do Parque embaixo, Congueiro and Boys, a street on Green Island of Macau. Oh, oh, in Green Island of Macau. Rua do Parque embaixo, walking around Macau. Oh, 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 Rua do Parque Industrial, Green Island of Macau. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rua do Parque embaixo, roll around Green Island of Macau. Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde. Little green island of Macau. Oh, 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 little green island of Macau. Oh, little green island. Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde.
Okay, we're gonna be filming this little street right here. We're on Green Island. This is like the industrial park area. So we're gonna kind of meander down this way and follow this around. And then I think it is basically gonna be an industrial part of Green Island. Just to give you a little context, that is the original Green Island right there. And up there, there's also St. Joseph's University and such like that. That over there is all the border of Zhuhai, China. So all of that is the China side, and this is the Macau side, way over the border. Let's put it up on the map so you can get the context of exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, we're gonna follow this down. So this is Parque Street, and we're gonna walk over on this side of the street. That's Green Island right over there. Those are some big massive apartments. Can't even tell you what those are called. But anyways, no parking. This is no parking, but there's all these cars parked right here. It says they can't park here because buses need to go around here. These big, beautiful trees. So this is Industrial Park, and it's basically, I think that's all the water to the right, and I think on the other side of that is like kind of the water between Zhuhai and Macau. I think there's water. It's pretty sure it's a water plant. And then the Industrial Park Street goes straight this way, and then we're going to take a left. And then along the way, I think it's going to be very, very, very industrial. Green Island originally was where like a salt plant, and then I think the Catholic Church bought some property on it for the University of St. Joseph. And then I think in the time, like reclamation programs and plus the silt that comes down from other parts of China accumulates down here at the base of our big massive river that flows through South China. So so I think this Green Island just kind of kept developing until now it's part of Macau. Okay, so I think right here, I think is maybe an immigration for like cars to travel through that are maybe industrial connected. And all of that is China. All of that is China on that side. And I'm gonna keep going down our Target Street. And we have a Coca-Cola plant over on that side. Very, very industrial. There's our Target Street. The industrial park. Street of the industrial park. You got buses over there. Big massive factories. So we're just gonna follow this down for a ways. Not much to see at this particular moment, but I want to film and document every street in Macau, whatever they look like, and then that way we kind of have a record of what they are in 2025, and 2026 is coming up next week. So yeah, we're quite near the border, and I think this is kind of a bus depot. So these are later going to Praça Frada Amaral, and this would be the ending spot. So the bus drivers will come and take a break up here. So if you're on this bus and you end up on it to the end spot, you'll end up here. Then you have to jump out. They'll take a break, and then you can pay and get in another one later. Okay. So let me just see here. So we're still on our street right there. I believe that's all. And I don't know if that continues down that way. I think that might be like okay, this is Frontiera. So this might be the connection to China. This looks like a parking garage right here because it has a little thing right there. There's Green Island straight that way. You can't see St. Joseph's, but if we were on the other side, you would be able to see it more clearly. Wow, this bus looks super cool. Okay, so let's keep on going. Let's go down this street right here. These tiny little ones. Oh, this is called the new park, New Hua Nova. So I guess this would be a different street altogether. And I guess our industrial park might go this way, possibly. So we're just gonna follow it up and just see where it goes. I think it's gonna end up here. So yeah, I think the other side is all China. I'm gonna turn the camera off and get up a little bit closer. So that says Avenida, so I don't know if that continues or not, but so I don't know if we were on Hua or Avenida, but we're gonna keep walking down and we'll try to see if we can figure out where we are exactly. That says Avenida, and we'll just walk down that way. I'll get past some of this. Kind of nervous with the camera. Here's a public parking garage, so, but there's Zhuhai right there. There's actually places to sit here, so you can sit and just kind of look across to China. So strange. I guess this is a border. It's on Google Maps, so it's not like it's hidden, but it's kind of strange. Okay, let's go down there all the way down to the end. There's like Yoho Cafe Center, so this like there's different factories and these beautiful trees and this border. So and I think that we might have switched from Avenida to Hua. I'm not 100% sure. Let me check and see. So yeah. Then over here, let's see what this is. Here's Hua Norte. So that goes Hua. Industrial Park. I think that's enough filming for me. I'm just gonna like, I think we're kind of going into three different streets, but this is gonna be the main one, Industrial Park. So I think we did maybe Hua, Avenida, and now we're kind of in Norte. I'm gonna go see what that is. That's so strange. This is Honolulu THS. This is like a chain restaurant that's everywhere in Macau. It's quite good. I didn't know they even had a headquarters. So I guess we're just gonna capture a bunch of these places that have industrial park, including this one called Norte, Hua, Avenida. So yeah, Hua Norte. That one says Hua Norte as well. So I think that those are both Hua Norte. So we were kind of up in that area a little bit. And now we're gonna come over here. I feel a little bit lost here. It's like a bus depot. Not too lost because let's see what that next sign is on the corner there. So this one says Travessa Deutsch du Park Industrial. So I think this is all kind of this back stuff. I don't think I'm going to film any more of it. I think I kind of have an idea what it looks like. And let's just go to the end of the street. So we just came down that one. It says Green Island. That's the Green Island street down that way, and then down this way is Green Island Marginal de Estrada Marginal de Ilha Verde, and that's this. Now you can see the school up at the top, St. Joseph. Okay, so there you go. So all of that behind me was all this kind of industrial park. So yeah, this is what Green Island looks like. This particular part, there's a university up there. And then you have lots of like kind of older apartments and some new apartments, and now we're just kind of like in. I filmed another one where I did the street of Green Island, which was that one. Okay, so that'll just end it for Green Island, and that's the original Green Island right there. So and I think that might be the salt factory, maybe that spot up there, that older building. I could be wrong, but it would be up on the hill a little bit, where original was. Okay. So yeah, we just kind of were back in that area, all these industrial areas, Zhuhai, China, all those taller buildings behind there. These are all kind of industrial stuff. Okay, we'll end it right there.